Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket, and today in this video we have a lot of things to discuss as we haven't made a video from quite some time. So the thing is, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we had gone to the Traders Carnival. So I would also like to share the experience what we had in the Traders Carnival. So it was an amazing experience. So it was a 3-day event starting from Wednesday up until Friday. So first day we went in the morning till night we had the sessions. It was very well organized. So the best part is we got to network with a lot of people. We got to meet a lot of people. We got to discuss about markets with a lot of people. And second day was a Thursday where we had the expiry day. So on the expiry day, so there was live trading done by the experts. So 4 people, Shiva sir, who is a scalper. Then we also had IT Jagan sir, Sharik from Kerala, and also Siju. We had a live expiry trading session with them and it was amazing because even though all of them took a different view, all were able to end in profits. So this is the beauty of trading. So it doesn't matter how the market moves towards the end. So if you're right with your view, you can still end up making money. So it was amazing. We had a lot of learning experience there and we also got to meet a lot of people. So then after we came back on Friday, so then we had work related to target because Monday we gave, that is yesterday, we gave early access to close to around 50 people in target. We will be also enabling target early access to few more people tomorrow. So yesterday and today we received a lot of bug list. So what usually ends up happening is when we do testing in local, we would have just tested with 1 or 2 systems. When we have 20 or 30 systems running together, that might result in a new bug. So there might be some new bugs which we wouldn't have even explored when we are testing with 1 or 2 systems. So that is something which we got to see yesterday and very quickly we have fixed everything. So whoever has early access to the app, tomorrow you can be assured that the same bug is not going to come up because today whole day we tried to fix the bug and we finally found the issue and we have fixed it and it will be updated very soon. We would also love to know your reviews about the target app. And do let us know in the comment section, and those who haven't got the early access will be getting it max by this weekend. By Friday, all of you who have applied for the early access will be getting the early access of the target app. And meanwhile, any bugs you encounter, please report it to us at support.optionables.in. So we will make sure that we will try to resolve it as soon as possible because only with your help we'll be able to grow. App is still in the beta version. So right now we have just released to the market and we have done a thorough round of testing as much as we can. But as I already told you, when multiple people start using it, it might give rise to new bugs, which we'll try to fix as soon as possible and try to make the experience pleasant. So we have plans of launching it full-fledged. So right now we are in the beta version. We have plans of launching it full-fledged by August 15th. So we have kept that as the date because it also marks the 75th year of our independence. So it is very special for us. That's the reason we plan to launch this app full-fledged to the market by 15th of August. So now we'll get back to the markets and see what ended up happening over the course of last whole week. So because we haven't put the video from Wednesday, so we will first come into Firstock and then we will get into our back office and take a look at what happened to the trade during the course of the last full week. So I'm just going to go to P&L reports, and in P&L reports I'm going to go to July. We haven't put the video from 27th of July to 2nd of August. So I'm just going to change this to indicative P&L and make this F&O and click on submit. So as you can see here, over the course of last week, we have made somewhere close to around 15 lakh in net profit. So 10 lakh is our realized profit and we have paid 56,000 in charges and we have another unrealized profit of 5.5 lakh which is going to add up to close to around 15 lakh. So last week was quite good. Expiry was amazing, and on top of that, since the market is going up, even the equities are performing really well. So now we have this 50-50 rule where we will have to get out of some equity positions and convert it into cash equivalent by either buying sovereign gold bonds or liquid Bs. So that is something which we'll be starting to do pretty soon. Now we'll discuss some market outlook and also trading ideas. So this is what happened during the course of the last week. And when we look at the markets, I'll open both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is the hourly chart of Nifty. So when you look at this, I don't think there is need to do any analysis because it's quite clear that market is just going up. Every single dip is being bought into. It is not just the DIIs, even FIIs have started buying, and every time it falls, it's either DIIs or FIIs will quickly rush in and start buying. As we saw, to come from 18,000 all the way to 15,500, it took close to 7 to 8 months because FIIs were continuously selling, DIIs were trying to support by buying, and this clash was happening, and it took almost around 7 to 8 months to come down by 2,000 points. But you can see what happens when both the institutions start buying, both DIIs and FIIs start buying. So this is what we are going to get within a matter of 30 to 40 trading sessions. So you can see June 16th, we touched 15,200. From there on, we have come up to 17,200 just in 30 to 40 trading sessions. To fall 3,000 points, we took close to around 7 months, and to come up, we have just taken a single month. And this is what happens when both the institutions end up buying. And when you look at this, it is quite hard to do any kind of analysis because if the global market is going up, Nifty will go up further. If the global market is not performing, Nifty will even then go up. What trades are we doing? We are just selling put options. So that is what we are doing from quite some time. And luckily, since the market is going up, it has gone well in our favor. So to just show you how bullish we were, we had taken a lot of bullish positions from the beginning of this month. So when I come back to this P&L report and go from July 1st, so you can see overall we have a profit of close to around 45 lakh 50,000 just in this month F&O, and this is because we had taken so much bullish position in the market. And now coming to Bank Nifty, if you call Nifty rally big, then Bank Nifty rally is massive because you can see it was trading somewhere around 32,000 in June, and right now we are at 38,000, and the rally of close to around 6,000 points or 20% in Bank Nifty just in 1 month. So this is the kind of buying what we are seeing, and it is quite hard to take an outlook of the market because if we are rallying close to around 6,000 points in just around 30 days, that means every week we have rallied close to around 1,000 points. So now how are you going to take a weekly view when we are going up 1,000 points every week? It is quite hard. So now the thing is, it looks as though the steam is slowly coming down. I might be totally wrong, but after this fantastic huge rally, it does look like the steam might be slowly coming down. So when we look at the open interest charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, so this is the open interest chart of Nifty. So you can clearly see that there are a lot of put writing compared to call writing, which definitely suggests bullishness. But you can also see that there is some good amount of call writing at 17,500, which is likely to act as a very strong resistance. So we have run up quite a lot. We might anytime see a big profit booking happening, and we should be ready for that. So we don't know when that is coming, but it can come anytime. On the lower end, we have 17,200, which is likely to act as a very good support. So in my view, we must be looking at expiry anywhere between 17,200 to 17,500. And since there is so much bullish bias, I won't be surprised even if we end slightly above 17,500 also. Now coming to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, again we get to see a lot of bullish bias. So we have 37 million puts compared to 29. And not just that, if you actually look at this, there are a lot of short straddles created at 38,000. And for Bank Nifty, the range might be around 37,500 to 38,500. So this is the likely range what we are expecting for Bank Nifty. Again, we remain to be bullish on the market till we see any swing low being broken. So till then, we are bullish on the market. So overall, if you look at the trade, so we just right now have a short straddle at 38,000. So let me just show you that. So we have a 38,000 short straddle, as you can see. So 900 quantity of each. Along with that, we have a naked put short. I think we'll be booking this. This is just trading around 7 rupees. We had entered this long back. So we had entered this long back, and right now it's around 7 rupees. Along with that, we also have a ratio spread. So let me just sort it based on instruments. So it will help us understand better. So you can see these two right over here. We have bought 36,500 puts and sold double quantity of 36,000 puts month end. And one more thing which I would want to tell you is that we had discussed this trade in the community tab, and I have given this 3 days ago, saying that we'll be entering this position, that is selling a 36,000 puts 2 quantity and buying 36,500 PE 1 quantity. So I have also given you the payoff graph, how exactly the payoff graph is going to look, and I have also given you the break even probability of profit. I'll also discuss in the further videos how we can adjust this ratio spread if something starts to go wrong. So along with that, we also have quite a lot of futures which are doing quite well because the equities are going up. So let's see how everything goes. And as I told you, overall we have a bullish view. We are not carrying a lot of position overnight because the markets, so they are going up, they are not in one place, so they are not definitely consolidating, they are trending, and that's the reason we are not carrying a lot of overnight position. So this is the update, and this was a quick update because we hadn't made a video almost for a week, and I had to cover a lot of things, starting from the trade, what we had taken over time, to the update on target, to update on traders Carnival, and also outlook of the market. And today was the first day when we also traded some Nifty, and luckily we ended up gaining somewhere around 10,000 rupees in Nifty. So before I end this video, I would also tell you that whoever haven't received the early access to target will be receiving it by this weekend. So everybody will be getting the early access to this target, whoever have registered by this weekend, and you can start using target. One recommendation would be to have low position size. Just try it out with one lot. There might be some bugs coming up, but I will assure you that we'll fix it as soon as possible, and we'll try to make your experience flawless. So with this, we also come to the end of this video. If you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Optionables. Thank you so much for joining.